Tired of that sinking feeling when you suspect important emails are vanishing into thin air? Let's dive into fixing Gmail when it's not receiving emails in under 90 seconds. First things first, let's check your spam folder. Sometimes legitimate emails get misidentified. Click on More in the left-hand menu, then scroll down to Spam. If you find a valid email, select it and click Not Spam to ensure future messages arrive in your inbox. Next, make sure your Google storage isn't full. If you've reached your limit, new emails will bounce back to the sender. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and then manage your Google account. Find storage and review where your storage is being used. Consider deleting large files in Google Drive or old emails to free up space. Now, let's examine your filters and forwarding settings. Click the gear icon in the top right corner. Then see all settings. Head to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Review your filters. A wrongly configured filter could be archiving or deleting your emails. Delete or modify any filters that are causing problems. While you're in Settings, check the Forwarding and POP IMAP tab. Ensure forwarding is disabled unless you intentionally set it up. Also, double-check your POP IMAP settings. If you use an email client like Outlook or Thunderbird, incorrect settings there can prevent Gmail from receiving emails properly. Back in the settings, click the Blocked Addresses tab. Make sure the senders you want to receive emails from are not on this list. If a sender is accidentally blocked, remove them from the list. Finally, ensure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent Gmail from sensing and receiving new messages. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network to see if that resolves the issue. And that's it. By checking these key areas, you should be back to receiving all your important emails in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.